In Cruises Membership Review, 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how travel memberships have evolved in 2025. Incruise promises discounted cruises, exclusive deals, and a flexible loyalty program, but is it worth joining? The surprising truth is savings. Most people get this wrong by thinking cruise discounts are only minor. Incruises offers members up to 40% off cruise fares, plus perks like onboard credits and priority booking, making travel more affordable for regular cruisers. Another advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see Incruise allows you to choose from a wide network of cruise lines and destinations, giving freedom in planning your trips. Members also earn loyalty points that can be redeemed for future cruises. The membership includes educational resources on cruising, travel planning support, and a community of travelers, which enhances the experience beyond just discounts. However, there are cons. Membership requires monthly or annual fees, and savings vary depending on cruise line and season. Occasional restrictions on promotions and itineraries mean careful planning is necessary. In conclusion, Incruises membership in 2025 is ideal for frequent cruisers seeking flexibility, discounts, and rewards. While fees and limitations exist, the combination of savings, loyalty perks, and planning support makes Incruises a valuable membership for those passionate about cruising.